These are the customer. Yeah, it's a boss. He is the boss.
Stephen, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. How are you doing?
Yeah, fine, thanks.
Good. So this is our cutting machine. So what do you think our machine?
We are really happy with this machine. It's working fine. Yeah, since 2 years. Yeah, since 2020 we have this machine here. Yeah, and it's really working perfect.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. It's a cutting machine, yeah?
Yeah, it's a cutting machine, a fiber laser cutting machine. As you told before, 1000 watts. Yeah.
How about our service?
Service is perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's really perfect. You can talk always über Microsoft Teams, via Microsoft Teams or something else. Yeah. And it's quite good.
Good. So you are also to purchase our marking machine?
Yes, we also have a marking machine from you. Yeah.
Okay, great. Can you show me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Come in.
Oh, these are old car.
Yes, some American cars.
It's a cutting materials.
And there's your marking machine.
Oh, good. How about the machine? Working well?
The machine is also working very well. This was our first machine from you we bought. Yeah. And it's great for marking stainless steel. Yeah. Or galvanized aluminium. Yeah. It's perfect.
Like this.
Yeah. This is one example.
This
Yeah.
for the stainless steel.